Loss of goods by fire should be credited. The options are A. Loss of goods by fire account, B. Sales account, C. Purchase account, or D. Cash account. Drawing account is classified under. The options are A. Real account, B. Personal account, C. Nominal account, or D. Impersonal account. Which accounts will be debited if Ravi commenced business with cash? The options are A. Cash account, B. Drawing account, C. Capital account, or D. Proprietor account. Withdrawal of cash from bank by the proprietor for office use should be credited to. The answers are A. Cash account, B. Bank account, C. Drawings account, or D. Capital account. The basic rule of bookkeeping: debit the receiver and credit the giver is applicable to. The options are A. Real account, B. Nominal account, C. Cash account, or D. Personal account. Received a check from Mr. Sachin should be debited to. The options are A. Mr. Sachin account, B. Bank account, C. Cash account, or D. Personal account. Goods sold to Mr. A should be debited to. The options are A. Cash account, B. Mr. A account, C. Goods account, or D. Sales account. Goods sold to Mr. A by cash should be debited to. The options are A. Cash account, B. Mr. A account, C. Goods account, or D. Sales account.
Which of the following account will be credited on giving cash donation? The options are A. Donation account, B. Cash account, C. Purchase account, or D. Creditors account.
Discount allowed is a kind of deduction from. The options are A. Account payable, B. Account receivable, C. Cash account, or D. Discount account. The other name of journal is. The options are A. Ledger, B. The account, C. A day book, or D. Cash book. The process of recording is done. The options are A. Once a year, B. Twice a year, C. Frequently during the accounting period, or D. At the end of accounting year.